Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to leave a clan on Call of Duty Mobile. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To leave a clan on Call of Duty Mobile, open up your Call of Duty Mobile game on your mobile devices. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are, tap on the clan button at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on member from the left hand side menu. You'll be able to see the members list tab, find your name in the list of the clan members, and tap on the door icon on the right corner of your name. Soon after you do that, tap on OK. But remember that you will not be able to join any other clan for the 24 hours after removing yourself from a clan. After you tap on OK, you'll be able to get rid of yourself from a particular clan in Call of Duty Mobile. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.